This video discusses using the CoilDesigner help file. The help file is an often underappreciated tool in CoilDesigner, considering that it contains information ranging from basic features to step-by-step tutorials for more advanced features. To access the help file, press the Help tab, then press Contents to display the entire help file. Its home screen has basic information about the current CoilDesigner model, including software information in red on the top and general features information on the bottom. The tab on the left is the Navigation tab. Its default page is the Contents, which can be expanded by pressing the plus button, revealing the table of contents in the help file. These include a comprehensive list of features, a section of fundamentals, a section on installation and setup, a section on simulation of air to refrigerant heat exchangers, a section on simulation of coaxial or tube-in-tube heat exchangers, a section on the user interface, a tutorial section which goes more in depth on different types of heat exchangers, and a how-to section which contains the step-by-step guides to those more advanced features. There is also a glossary and a link to further support. Besides the table of contents, the Navigation tab also includes an index where you can search for keywords, a search feature where you can just search by words, and a Favorites tab in case you have any topics that you would like to bookmark. You can navigate in the contents by clicking through them, or by making use of the back and forward arrows in the menu at the top. These will take you to and from your previous and newly visited topics. You can hide this menu by pressing the Hide button, then pop it back out by pressing the Show button. There is also the option to print certain sections of the help guide. You can either print your selected topic or you can print everything within the category. All of these features can also be accessed with the Options button. For more information, please contact support@optimizedthermalsystems.com.